We are doing MBBS.
What's MBBS?
MBBS, doctor. Doctor.
Doctor of what?
General doctor, then
Medicine and service.
medicine.
Can you heal my heart? Can you fix a broken heart?
How are you?
Uy, tingnan mo naman yung dinadaan. Look, oh, look at the place. It's so beautiful. See? Here we go again, everybody. Nagsasasama na naman tayo. So he's telling me that this door is his grandfather like museum something. So everybody, if you did not see me again, you can find me there. Yung ginagawa ko sa buhay ko. Everybody, here we go again. I'm riding the Korean bike. My driver has just arrived. And we are now on the way to sa Itfor Village. Uy, ang galing ko na mag-vlog. Nakakaloko. I'm so proud of me. You're shy, I know. It's okay. Me too. Hi, I'm Buddy Kate Reto here, and for today's video, I'm finally welcoming you to sa Itfor Village. Hi everybody, it's Kate Reto here. Good evening still from Islamabad, Pakistan. For today's video, come with me as I go to sa Itfor Village. So right now I'm just waiting for my Karin bike and I'll show you how will I go there. Let me just show you like what's happening a little bit around me while waiting for my driver. But he's literally like 2 minutes away, so this is it. As you can see, it's so busy. It's currently almost 7 in the evening. I asked the receptionist from my hotel and he told me to go there after 5. But I was fixing myself and it took me 2 hours because I was also watching my vlog. The driver is calling. 1 second. Everybody, here we go again. I'm riding the Korean bike. My driver has just arrived. And we are now on our way to sa Itfor Village. Uy, ang galing ko na mag-vlog. Nakakaloka. I'm so proud of me. Oy, watch the road, kuya. Watch the road. Okay, it's okay. I think we are near now in Itfor Village. Itfor Village. We are near. And as you can see, ang ganda ko. Purihin ko yung sarili ko. I need to validate myself because no one will do it for me. I am beautiful. And I believe in that. And my mom also. As well as my brothers and sisters. And my best friends. That everybody, Kuya driver is telling me that we have arrived, but I don't see the vibrant. Why it's so dark? Shota ka, kuya. Grabe naman yung ano nun. Kusina. Ay, kusina. Ako sa kanan, no? Gago. May pailaw. Alam mo yung ganda ko. Everybody, I have officially arrived here in sa Itfor Village. Let's see what I can see here. The driver dropped me here, but I'm not sure if this is the right place. But let's see. So, this is... okay. My God. Okay. It's a small village here in Islamabad, Pakistan. And it's like 5 minutes away from where I'm living. Hello! What are this? Okay. Can I take a film? It's okay? Thank you. Huy, ang ganda. Oh my God. How much is this? How much? How much? 100? 200? Okay, sure. Okay, maybe I'll come back, ha? Thank you. Shukriya. Uy, ang ganda dito. Kita ba yung highlight ko? Shoota ka. Okay, let's see kung anong ganap for today's video. Okay, I intentionally, nasasabihin ko, Uy, ang ganda. Wait, ang ganda. Ang ganda niya. Okay, wait. Naaliw ako sobra. Sorry, ang ganda kasi. Oh. Hoy, everybody, it's so beautiful. I can hear a music. Okay, we'll give a tip, but later na. May patunog. Everybody, something wrong happened. I don't know why, but two of my batteries are low ba. I have to be smart when using my battery. Uy, tingnan mo naman yung dinadaan. Look, oh, look at the place. It's so beautiful. Oh my God. Okay, I saw this on the internet, so I'll make some shots here. I'm gonna show it to you real quick. It's so beautiful. See? So you heard Tabish Khan, he told me that the way is down. So let's go down. And then, the temple is here. Okay, let's see what we can see here. He said I can go inside, but I think it's locked. Let's just go the other temple na lang. Hoy, everybody, it's beautiful. Oh, look. Everybody, he's offering me a tea, but you know, my stomach is so sensitive. I had to decline. Sorry naman. You know, I really hate my stomach if something like this is happening. Like when people invite you to, when people are giving you something, you gotta say no because you just can't accept it because of your stomach. No, I really hate that. Here we go again, everybody. Nagsasasama na naman tayo. Hi! Hello! So he's telling me that this door is his grandfather, like museum something. So everybody, if you did not see me again, you can find me there. Yung ginagawa ko sa buhay ko. Ah, clay kinemperut. Okay. Nakahinga din. Yeah. So your grandfather made this? All of this? Wow.
My grandfather.
Okay, sure. Give me 1 second here.
Clock.
That was clay. So this is his grandfather daw. Videohan ko daw.
Yeah.
This is your father.
Left hand.
So this is the grandfather, this is the father.
Yeah,
Oh my God, there's a lot of father, kuya.
Cooking pot.
Yes.
This flower in Pakistan. These are our Italy.
Oh, so your grandfather made all of this?
Father.
This is your father. Dahil kasing father, kuya. So everybody, I think like everything you see here is made out of clay. So there is this electric fan here. He said it's working and it's made out of clay. Also this. I love that he's so proud of his family. There's a bridge here. See, I am discovering a lot of things. So this is his grandfather and father's little museum here. So if you go to Saidpur village, just, if you see this man, sorry, what's your name? Okay, Pahos na lang kuya, kasi ang haba. Pahos. Asad. Okay, go. Laban yan. You know, look for him and then, there, visit us to have a look on 120 years old train. Okay, there's ticket. Okay, I'll give you. That's 20 lang. Everybody, if ever you go here to Saidpur village, this is worth visiting, honestly. It's just I'm running out of my battery. I don't know what happened to my battery, but yeah, it's just 20 PKR. It's just like, what, 50 cents? Again, everybody, the entrance fee is 20 rupee, but I gave him 100. Bye-bye, Shukriya. Because he opened it for me. Just for me, see. I feel so grateful. Grateful. Okay, so I'm going back. I hope my battery can still capture a lot of things. Sorry, what is this? It's like cafeteria. Yeah, I'm capturing you as well. But what is this place?
This is Babe Khabar.
Like for tea, for food, museum, what? What is?
For food.
For food. Okay. Say hi. You guess. You have 2 chances. You have to guess where I'm from.
Japanese.
Japanese? Wrong. Wait. Okay, what's your first guess? Japanese. Second is what?
Chinese.
Chinese. Okay, you have last one. Game ka na ba to? Game ka na ba? Okay, you have 5 seconds to answer. 5, 4. Sorry?
5 seconds.
Okay, yeah, you have 3 seconds
UK.
left to...
UK.
Oh my God,
No,
UK?
UK, not UK.
No, I'm not. I'm from the Philippines.
Philippines.
Yes. Wait, do you work here or you just had food?
We are students.
We
We
are
are
also
doing
visitors.
MBBS.
What's MBPS?
MBBS. Doctor. Doctor.
Doctor of what?
General doctor.
General doctor, then
Medicine and service.
medicine. and
Wait, can you heal my heart?
What's your name?
K. K Toretto.
Acha, K.
But answer my question first. Can you heal my heart? Can you fix a broken heart? Ah. I'm just joking. Hi. Okay. We're having a good conversation right now with these guys, but I'm running out of battery. I hate it. I have 3 batteries, but I don't know what happened. All of my battery are low bat. Kakainis.
5 minutes.
Yeah, we can talk a lot after this. No problem.
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Nice to meet you.
There's this one shop here. It looks so beautiful. Like, they're selling this. Oh, ang ganda. Hoy, alam mo, kung di lang ako nagba-backpack, if only if I'm not backpacking, I'm gonna buy a lot of this and then I'm gonna send it to Philippines. Super beautiful. Brother, shukriya. Amazing. So it's beautiful. I love the place. My goodness gracious, I really hope that my battery can still manage this. This is the last place where I will check. So, assalamualaikum. Kaseho. Can I go there? It's okay. I hope it's okay. Okay. There's like a small place here where you can do this. Salam. Kaseho. Okay. Okay. Ito na yung parang this is it's like another village na there. I hope may battery. My God, naloka ako sa battery ko. Good evening. Assalamualaikum. Oh, okay. I just want to check. I hope it's okay that I film.
Yeah.
Amazing. Thank you. Assalamualaikum. Hi. Ooh, taking picture. But everybody, look how beautiful this is. There's a lot of things that you can buy here. For everyone that's not doing backpacking, I really recommend that you save some space in your luggage so you can buy some of this. It's really cheap and beautiful. Everybody, I'd like to introduce you to Junaid. He is the owner of this shop. Say hi. So what do you want to say to everyone who's coming here to Saidpur village?
Yes, welcome, most welcome to everyone. Another country, any country, you're most welcome. You are our guest. It's our great greetings to come in our city.
You're shy, I know. It's okay. Me too. So I was asking him like, what's the most interesting craft that you have here? And he told me that everything, which I totally agree. So again, if you're on a holiday, like, because I'm doing backpacking, I cannot buy anything. I cannot take that with me. But for those people who has a luggage allowance or baggage allowance, please leave some and visit this village. It's beautiful, trust me. Like, it's something that you would really remember. Everybody, the owner is giving me a cup, but I told him I cannot take it with me. I'm doing backpacking, if you remember. If I take that and I leave my hotel, I'm just gonna leave it there. And I'm gonna feel sad. I'm gonna feel bad about myself about it. So, it's okay. I have good memory with you. That's enough for me. And you gave me the keychain. He gave me this. I wanna buy it, but he gave it to me. Thank you, Junaid.
You're welcome.
Hey everybody, again, it's Kate Toretto here. So I hope you enjoy watching my vlog. And that's it. This is the whole, how do you say it again? This village?
Saidpur village.
Saidpur village. And that's it. So you have a good night. Thank you. Thank you
Thank you
again.
so much.
Bye-bye. Kumain tayo. Hindi ba sa inyo to? Let's sit. Can we sit there? No, there's no seat. I want to sit before we go. Where we can sit?
WhatsApp number.
You don't have? I don't give WhatsApp. Sorry. Huwag mo nang patulan. Papatulan mo pa eh. Let's go na. we can't find seats, so we'll go home na bago pa mag-away sila. Nakaloka naman kasi WhatsApp number yung kinukuha. Kalurky.